Did you know that healing isn't about forgetting your scars? It's about letting someone love them. Nia built walls so high even she forgot what was behind them. Every relationship ended the same way, her running before anyone got too close. Then Marcus showed up, patient, steady, never pushing past the boundaries she drew in invisible ink. The first crack came during a late-night conversation. She mentioned her ex, then caught herself. But Marcus didn't pry. He just listened. The second crack? When he walked her to her door for the 10th time without asking to come in, that restraint broke something loose inside her chest. By month 3, she was telling him things she'd never said out loud. About the nights she couldn't sleep, about why she moved towns, about the woman she used to be before everything fell apart. Marcus never tried to fix her. He just held space while she put herself back together. The night she finally let him stay wasn't about passion. It was about trust, about choosing love over fear. Some walls are worth tearing down.